guys, so I have a really fun tutorial for you. I came up with this look. It's got blue, purple, pink. It is so super fun and so colorful for summer. I feel like now is a perfect time for us to like really experiment with color because we're not really going out as much anymore. So if you try something out that maybe you're not comfortable wearing out, you don't have to because we're all staying home. So I figured I'd make a tutorial for you guys to try if you want to experiment with color. If you're not really someone that does use color on the eyelids, this is a really fun time to do that. Plus summer's coming soon, so I personally love using colors in the summer because I don't know, it's just a summery thing. So yeah, I created this for you. I'm super excited, and yeah. What else? I don't even know. Oh, and my hair is pink. It's not really pink, it's a spray, but yeah. Just in case you guys think, oh my god, she dyed her hair pink. Not for reals, it's just gonna wash out. So yeah, just thought I'd disclaim that if you were wondering. And yeah, I guess there's not much else to say. I guess we'll just have to get on with the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so the first color I'm going to take is from my Rimmel London Magnifies Wow Edition eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this blue teal color. It's got a little bit of shimmer, and on my e.l.f. flat shader brush, I'm going to grab some of that and put this all over my eyelid and just stopping at the crease. And I'm going to take this shade called Hungover. It's like a deep navy purple color, and on this very what is the, I forget. Okay. What? I can't remember the word for it. Dense. Very dense eyeshadow brush, which is like a small, precise, it's not like a loose brush. Put this on your crease like in a cat eye shape, like a V, and just place it there for now, kind of like that. Looks silly. And then I'm going to take this crease brush that's, more blendable, and I'm going to blend it out. The same palette, and I'm going to use the color Bottoms Up. It's like a hot pink shimmer, and on the crease brush we just used, I'm going to get some of that and put it in the crease, like right above the purple. Okay, so what I like to do is the same mermaid brush we used before, like the dense one. I'm going to get some black eyeshadow on there, and like we did before, like with the cat eye motion, I'm going to put the black on my outer V, and whenever I use color on my eyes, I always make sure I add like a black or a dark brown afterwards because it just makes everything more defined, because color doesn't really like shadow your eye. I don't know how to explain it, but I always feel like you need to add like a black afterwards if you're gonna do this and want it to be like wearable. So then after I put the black, I'm gonna take a different one because this one has like so many colors on it. But take a blending brush and blend the black. With that same black color, I'm going to bring it to my lower lash line. So I'm going to take like a flat shader brush like this, get the black on there, and just run it under my lower lashes. I'm taking my Manna Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. I love this. It's like so twisty and different. But yeah, just gonna put that on my lashes. Okay, so now for blush, I'm taking my Becca Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this pink shimmery one, load my brush with it and put it on my cheeks. For lip gloss, I'm taking my Victoria's Secret Candy Baby, and I love this because the color is just like a fun pink, and it's not overbearing because we have so much color on our lids, so we want to keep it toned. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute, and the lip gloss tastes like cotton candy, which is so yummy. So yay. So this is the finished eyeshadow. It's super fun and totally perfect for summer, and yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this or try it out. As usual, leave any comments below that you have for me, and I will see you in my next video.